Hello everyone, today I will show you how to confirm identity on Facebook. First, open Facebook and log into your account. Next, tap the three-bar icon with your profile photo at the top right, just below the messenger icon. Then tap the gear icon to open settings. From settings, select Account Center. Scroll down to your information and permissions, and there you will see identity confirmation. Tap on it, and then choose Confirm Your Identity. Facebook will give you options for why you are confirming your identity, such as running ads about social issues, elections, or politics, or to protect your account. Start by selecting Protect Your Account. You will need to re-enter your password, so type it in and tap Continue. Facebook may send a code to your email or phone. Check your email or messages for the code, enter it, and tap Continue. Follow the on-screen steps to complete the verification for protecting your account. Once your account is protected, return to the same identity confirmation page. Now select the option for running ads about social issues, elections, or politics. If you plan to run ads or manage this type of content, Facebook requires you to confirm your ID. Tap Select and choose your country. You will then need to provide a personal ID or authorized document. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Facebook will guide you through submitting your ID and verifying your information. Once completed, your identity will be confirmed for running these types of ads. Thanks for watching.